we have a symmetric flow profile across the diamond.
The idea is that technical guys meeting here, no commercial things, only that deeply overview of the situation. I see some news for myself, and I will bring some news for my country also.
Interesting people, interesting presentations. What I also like is we got some more international stuff from Ukraine. So yeah, very interesting. It's if possible, I'll come next year again.
This is a great event, and I'm very happy that you started 3 years ago. And it's been, the number, the quality of people is much better than even last year. So a lot of effort has gone in. And that also shows how globally all the companies are interested in the subject.
Where we started with the speed dating, very nice idea. And this walk and talk also very nice thought of to implement that. It's not what you see in any other type of workshops.
Calibration is something which not only India that I speak for, but globally it has been recognized now, and everybody knows that this is important.
Of course, you talk to a few people who you already knew, but like I said, there is also an option to talk to other people who you don't know, and that's more interesting.
All these things, all different aspects coming, meter manufacturer coming, validation companies coming. I think it's a good initiative which Force Technology took. I hope it carries on.
I think it's important that you have a mix of calibration stations, technicians, but also users and manufacturers. And that's what I see here at this moment. So yeah, I'm very positive.